How we doing today, man? We are live for the Discord, and we are going to just live trade, but then post a recording for YouTube. Code Diego and all the firms. Apex is 90% off. Tradeify and Lucid are 40% off. Not sure what My Fund of Futures is doing, or Alpha Futures, or Take Profit Trader, but Code Diego gets you the best discount. Do not spend money you can't afford to lose. That being said, let's get into it. It is Monday. We have an exciting week coming up for trading and just in life in general. We got Champions League semifinals. We have it's like the end of the year for all the soccer teams I'm coaching. We're kind of doing all the end of the year parties. I got a pizza party tonight. That'll be fun. We have what else? We got a lot of stuff to look forward to this week. So hopefully you guys are doing good. And yeah, let's get into this YouTube video / live trading session. I will not be full porting. Someone asked me if I was going to full port FOMC. I will not be. I will be just trading these evals with 3 micros, 2 to 3 trades max per day. Trying to take the best possible trades, and we will see what we can do with these. We need about 100, I did the math, of 180 points on the week. If we trade 3 micros, I need to net 180 points, and we pass these evaluations. The goal is to pass them this week so we can go into May with just some fresh fundeds and just, maybe make some money finally. So, super excited for this week. Here we go, man. The market's about to open here in a minute, about 40 seconds. We have this SMT marked out. It doesn't look like it is going to stay, but if we kind of remanipulate and maybe we put an SMT at Asia lows and then go higher, I'm obviously bullish. Midnight opens up here. I'm bullish until proven otherwise because we are up 20% from 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago now. This is a really crazy rally. This is like 2 years worth of, maybe even 3 years worth of market movement in 3 weeks. So at some point, the market will sell off, though, and you have to be ready for that. But it is bullish till proven otherwise. You can't really justify taking shorts here right now. I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's tough. But we have that new day opening gap that we haven't filled. Market's opening here. Let's see. Hopefully, we don't just shoot up to all-time highs right off open, because then I'll kind of be a little bit confused on what to take. It is a No News Monday. Got to keep that in mind as well. Got to just be the disciplined trader we got to be, that we know we can be. Trading's been really tough recently, dude. It's been just confusing. I don't know. It's been really tricky for me because it hasn't been that bad, but it's just been like the patience game has been tough. The market's kind of changed. Market open doesn't run all the draws like it used to, so I'm having to re-navigate that. Market open was working really well for a little bit. Now it's not really working as well, so I'm having to move away from that. Got to be more patient. A lot of the setups are happening right in the macro, which, again, we used to kind of be getting setups at 9:35, 9:40, and we'd be running the targets, and now we're not really running the targets as early, I found. So just kind of navigating the conditions. Los, I saw that. I haven't watched your video yet, but you're eligible for a payout. Yeah, I have no live accounts. I just have the yes, sir. That's sick. What was your decision? You're gonna take it, or you're gonna just try and build it up more? I really off rip. I love this. I love these equal highs here. Right off rip, I want to see us kind of manipulate lower, deeper, and then generate liquidity, and then go for this. I love this already. I want to see. Yes, I feel like we're gonna come back down one more time to sweep this. I'm not taking. I'm gonna keep building buffer. That's sick. I'm a minimum payout warrior. I don't have the mental capacity to take anything other than a minimum payout for some reason. I mean, I know why, but yeah. But yeah, used to stay in top. Y'all think I should stay live on Top Step with the new XP? If you're on a live account with Top Step, then I don't think the changes really matter to you. But if you're just buying evals, I don't think Top Step's the one to go with anymore. My bias aside, I think that Lucid is just a better Top Step at this point, unless you just really love that platform. But I'm pretty sure they have a platform similar to Project X. I just haven't used it yet. I don't mind Tradeovate. Yeah, Lucid's goated. I like this 30-second. I'm going to have to kind of really ask myself, do I like this if it does inverse? It would probably need to happen this next candle. Otherwise, it might be a little bit hopeful. But I do like this. The only thing I don't love is ES making the equal lows and then running these highs, but it looks so bullish that if NQ kind of starts to follow, what does the stop loss look like? Not terrible. It would have to definitely happen on this next candle, like really strong push to here. And if it doesn't, then I would expect it to be just a manipulation to generate more liquidity and push lower. I don't mind that though. I'd rather wait and see us hit this low down here and take a long off that. But we did come off open and just sweep this, which is Asia. So the Asia lows. So it doesn't really have to dig that much deeper. But yeah, the story I was gonna tell right before I started the YouTube recording was, will you help me in an account? So Mars, bro, I already told you, man, as soon as you are old enough to trade legally, I got you with an account. But yeah, one of my buddies that works at a golf course, they were doing some tournament, and they had some, like this after party thing, and he got us some free passes, and my pass actually was a celebrity pass. I actually filmed some of it for TikTok, but then I don't know, dude. I'm not like good at filming those like vlog style, and I was just like, yeah, do I really want to post this? But maybe I do. But anyways, I was wearing this celebrity pass, and two of my other buddies had these guest pass. And the celebrity pass, I swear I was being treated differently. Like when we walked in, I've never been around all these rich people like celebrities. Like if you guys know Bill Murray, he was singing all night, and he's the guy that plays in the Groundhog Day movie, the weatherman, like the news reporter. He plays in Ghostbusters, I think Garfield, like big time, actor. Like he was just singing on the stage for the event all night. And then there was just like ex MLB players. Like it was a really crazy event. And I've never kind of really been around that. And it kind of made me realize, like, dang, if I can just take this trading and everything to a huge level, like this is the type of stuff that people just be doing. Like this is how the rich live. I got to experience that for like a night. But yeah, it was cool. It was a cool event. But I swear the celebrity pass, like we walked up to security to get in, and then my buddy was like, oh, I don't have my pass on me, it's in my pocket. And they're like, yeah, let's see that. Then they glanced over at my celebrity pass. And they were like, y'all are good. Y'all can come in. I was like, dang, they treat you differently if they think you're famous. So it was a really cool experience. It was really fun. And just random. Dude, we pulled up. My mom was dropping us off, and we pulled up, and there were just limousines. Just like, I was like, dude, what is this? It was pretty crazy. But, yeah. It was funny the amount of really beautiful girls with old dudes that I only could assume are very rich that looked so unhappy with their life. Like, they looked so miserable, but they were just there with the very rich dude. Samarth, bro, you got to realize, dude, 4 years. You got 4 more years till you're 18. That means you're 14 years old, which I thought you were older than 14, but you got so much time to just learn without losing money. Just, like, learn on paper. Become, like, amazing at trading. I started trading at, like, 19, 20, like, 5 years after you're out right now. Like, you have so much time to learn. All right, so we resweeped a few times. It's pretty good. 936. We're about to open this 5-minute gap maybe. Yeah, I mean, it's bullish protocol until proven otherwise. I'd have to wait for this gap. I mean, CISD is not really enough for me, I don't think. I will definitely take this. I don't know where I want to put my stop though, because I don't really think I need to put it at the low, but maybe I do. Yeah, this is looking like we're about to get a trade set up here. We have a lot of time left on this 30-second candle though, which is unfortunate because I think it's going to go pretty far. Probably put my stop around here or here. Not really sure. This will be the first attempt. We're on the micros. See, this is why we wait for the close. Let's see, we got 10 seconds left. Here we go. I'm a little bit nervous for whatever reason because, like, I don't really know where my stop loss is going. Okay, didn't inverse yet. Do we have a 1 minute? We do have a 1 minute. Might as well just take it off that. Let's see what the stop is. Pretty solid stop, but 10 seconds. I'm gonna kind of let this thing, like, we kind of had a pretty straight move up. I might just, even if it inverses, I might just let it do a little rebalance flip. I don't think I'm like, okay, we didn't even inverse the 30 seconds, so I might even let it do like a rebalance to this fair value gap and then flip again and then get in around here. Unless we just kind of inverse on this candle. We didn't inverse there. We inversed the 1 minute, so I could technically get in. But I'm just gonna wait for the 30 second. Again, I kind of want to wait for this pullback though. I think it will leave this. So I'm just gonna be patient. If it goes without me, I mean, it's not like I couldn't see the move. It was pretty obvious. But I'd rather not get in on this close because this is really strong, not strong rejection. I mean, let's take it into consideration, but this is some rejection, right? So if we come down into this fair value gap with this order block and flip it, then I can get in and I can kind of avoided the this push lower, you know, because we did move a straight up, 60 points. So now we tapped into the 1 minute gap. So now we have this flip. I actually wouldn't mind getting into here more now.
Order filled.
What is that? I don't know what that means. That was crazy. Okay, so we're in here. Stop loss here. What is going on? Okay, don't show this again. So I waited for that, tapped in here, had a nice close. It looks like it's going against us. It's part of the game. Is what it is. Do I love my stop down here? I don't know. Just kind of have it loosely here. We'll see. I could have waited, I guess. I mean, this is what I wanted to wait for. It did tap this for value gap and gave it a strong close, so I just didn't wait for this one. Like, if we get the same thing, it would be the same type of entry, right? We go up here, we close above here, then it would be the same type of thing. I would get in on this, so we'd probably get the same entry. It just kind of wanted to pull back again and give us a little drawdown. But it doesn't look the greatest right now. It looks like it probably will run back down one more time to the lows, if I had to guess. But just going to let it do its thing. It won't be the end of the world if it loses. Just have to reevaluate. This is the setup I want. So. See, like, if we go and flip this and get this order block, this would be the way better entry, and you probably wouldn't have to suffer any drawdown. But I'll be in the same spot. And again, this candle came down. It just came down one more time. So, but yeah, ideally, I would rather not be in this right now and wait for the flip. But we got in on what we thought was the flip, and we're probably going to be wrong. So I could probably have a tighter stop here, but that's an interesting candle. It would have been stopped out. Okay, this looks really bad. I might just... I mean, there's no real reason to cut the trade now, I guess. I'll put at this previous sweep. And just hopefully it bounces from here. Probably won't, though. Do I cut it here to save some money? I want to, but then at the same time, it could definitely just reverse from here, so... We need to see some green, dude. It's depressing. Every time I enter, it just starts doing that. Just straight red candles. Whatever this 1-to-1 is might just be where I take out my trade. So I'm risking 45 points. Let's see where 45 points would be. 45 would be like at the 50s. I'm going to just take off 2 here at this high and then figure out where I want my runner to go to if it goes up there. Okay, that's a big if at this point. We'll let our runner go to all-time highs or this high. I'm not going to sit in it that long. Would love to see some momentum back up after we got that green candle, but it's probably going to be an L. Is what it is. The hardest thing about taking a loss is just that it feels like you'll never make it back. but then you can. It's like a lie, you know? Like, oh, I'll never make this back if I lose. Oh my gosh, I'll never make it back. Yeah, we're pretty close to the stop out. Unless we have a little miracle reversal here. Be huge reversal here off hopes and dreams to start the week. This would be crazy. At this point, I need to just put it the low because I'll be so disappointed if it doesn't hit the low and it stops me out there. Maybe I just added an extra 6 points to the loss if it comes down there, but wow, I'm not gonna call it early, but I never get these types of just like stop loss edge to TP. Like it does not happen for me, so I don't want to get excited yet because it could just very well snap back down, but it looks a lot better than it did 2 seconds ago. Let's manifest some good energy, man. I deserve this. I deserve this TP. I really do, man. I believe that. Go break even at this this high. It's like, do I even want to take 2 off there? See, like we get all this hope. Now I'm gonna trail my stop up to this level. Actually, I mean, I don't really care. It's 6 points. Maybe I do. Why do we do that just to come down and stop me out, right? That's kind of mean. It's a little bit mean. But let's get a green candle right here. Wow, that's like really kind of enraging. This could be another case of just getting in that little bit early. I think we're going to get the same setup just after we get stopped out, which is really unfortunate because I can't just remove stop loss, but I know for a fact, not a fact, but I'm very confident. I'm very confident in the fact that we're going to stop this out and then get the setup and it's going to print. I'm going to take it again. But then it means you just make no money on the day. A double stop loss edge to TP.
Right. Stop filled.
Stopped out there, but watch, we're going to get the same setup here, and I'm going to take the same setup, and it's going to work. And I couldn't just remove my stop loss, even though removing the stop loss probably would have put us to the chance to make profit on the day, whereas now we're just chasing, not chasing, but we're just potentially going to get break-even day instead of an actual winning day. We do have the lows down here, but I kind of expect this to just reverse fully. Now looking back, I would have rather taken a stop loss here, obviously, but in this moment right here, when it came down, you had your stop at the low, and it pushed up. You think that you know, came out ahead by using the stop, so it gave us some more room. I don't know. Sometimes it's tough for me to know where I want my stop loss. All right, perfect. We did sweep that low now, and we swept out some of the liquidity on ES, but we still have an SMT in play, which is good to have. And we have equal highs on ES too. So what I've been running into, it's that I said it when we started this recording in this live stream that a lot of the time recently it seems like that first 15, 20 minutes is just bad and then generates liquidity and then it gives you that real setup, which I think is what's about to happen here. Right near the macro. Definitely like the look of this.
Order filled.
Give it another go. And if we lose this one, definitely reevaluate. If we get above here, I might add in 2 more micros. If we get that inversion, I think I will. Break even will be depending on where my average fill is. But my break even will probably be around here. Like I said, we're probably going to come sweep this and get the same setup just a little bit later. But that's been happening a lot, so it's just something to journal and kind of learn from. But, I mean, we could still be just wrong and lose, so. And this is the hard part about trading these days, is that even with 3 micros, which is not crazy size, you're down a lot on 2 losses. 2, like, normal losses. So. This has been the story of just trading recently. I just feel like I can't see it for my life. Or it just doesn't work right away. So,
Stop
out
filled.
Again. And we'll see. We'll see if we get another setup. I mean, I like that trade. Could have waited for this one to break potentially, but I don't mind it. I feel like that's a little bit more hindsight than anything. Like if you get in here and it runs up the TP, you'd be like, oh, that's a great trade. So we'll just see. Again, like I'm kind of just in a position now where it's like I can't really even make back the loss on the day, but it doesn't mean that. It just means I can't go in with full size just to make it back and profit. But if I see a great setup, maybe I make 250 back and make half of back. Still money I make back that I wouldn't have had if I didn't trade. But it just makes it a lot harder to have a solid day. We wait for this 1 minute, and if this 1 minute goes, we take it, break even at this swing high, and then that would be day done. Again, bullish to proven otherwise. Right now we're looking bearish, but I wouldn't have came into the day looking for shorts. I wouldn't have taken any shorts at all. So kind of just have to accept when you lose. Like I don't hate either of the trades. I mean, it just seems like I'm on offsides with the market. Like the market's going lower, which I mean, when you look at the market at the higher time frame, it makes a lot of sense. Like yeah, okay, the market's going lower, it makes sense, but you kind of just play the logic of all time highs where you just keep going. So I also kind of just am assuming we're going to get that set up towards all this liquidity, right? When we did this right off open, it kind of made me think, oh, we're definitely going to go higher at some point to that. Same thing with just all these highs kind of getting put in. I do think that we're going to flip at some point. This 2 minute something. So I'll wait for one more good entry if it comes. And if not, we'll see. But yeah, it really just sucks. It's like, it kind of sucks the fact that you lose 500 bucks on 2 losses with 3 micros. Maybe I should have been doing 2 micros, but it's just like, at the same time, you want to make 500 bucks if you take 2 wins. So it's like, if you want to make 500 on 2 wins, you got to be able to lose 500 on two losses. So just part of it. Like, again, if I take this trade here and it loses, I don't hate it. I really don't hate it. And then I'll probably just I'm gonna step away if this trade loses. How much time do we have left on this candle? 23 seconds.
Order filled.
2 micros now. We'll look to add, if we get this 30-second inversion, we'll add our position. Kind of front ran it a little bit because I'm just anticipating this candle to keep delivering. Again, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Break even at these highs here. Maybe tape TP. I'm not really sure. I don't really know where I'm trying to take this to. Gonna add in there.
Order filled.
So we're in 25. And I'll take off most of it here and let the rest run. Break even at these highs. I don't mind this stop loss here. I don't think it should come all the way back down there with this aggressive move higher. It should start running the liquidity, or else it's probably just generating another high. It's a normal rebalance though, after such a quick move up. But it should continue to be quick. I do believe that. Need to see it continue here. ES is doing really well. ES has a lot of room up, and Q has a lot of room up. Once it hits that high, it should just continue to accelerate through the rest of them. Um, Waiting till we hit the other high. I'll go break even when ES runs the equal highs, I think. We're at 2.5 points off it. Or if we hit that other high that I've marked out. Why don't they go quick here? What I'll do is I'll have my stop of the position I added in. I'll put my stop at break even for the position I added in once we hit that high. So I'm going to add my 3 micros there, and then I'm going to have my other stop down here. Not really sure why it's not just moving here. It's kind of frustrating, but we'll see what we get. Part of me wants to just close it here so I have less of a loss in the day, but that's kind of dumb. I kind of want to remove this stop too, just because I think we still just go higher. I'll just accept the loss here. 25. I'll just accept the loss. I'd rather that than get stopped out on half of it and wonder what could have been. If we flip above this high, I'll definitely go break even on all of it. But we've had no real pullback on this straight up move, so I don't want to just get stopped early. Could definitely soup this low again. I want to see it start to speed up here. Should really be quick. That should be our little manipulation, hopefully. Could dig a little bit deeper, but I want to see this thing just flip on everyone in shorts and just continue that all-time highs propaganda. I'm not gonna want to step away when if this loses, but I need to. Still confident in I still like the trade. I still don't mind being in the trade, but if it does lose, I need to just know I'm gonna be down about $900, and it's all right. It's not the end of the world because we can just win a few trades and be back. So I really hope we don't have to deal with that though. I hope we can just win because then it's a lot easier when you win. I'll tell you that much. It's a whole heck of a lot easier when you win. Needs to get speed right here. Otherwise, I'm like a little bit concerned with this trade. We get above those highs, and I'm going to put my stop here to lock in $100. Has to go though. It can't do this stalling. Needs to just flip on everybody shorting this market. Part of me is just wanting to get out and just be done for the day, but then it's like that's so dumb because if it goes up, then I just ended the day negative for no reason. This should be the last little manipulation down, hopefully. Maybe we sweep that little internal low, but this could be just the last little push lower. But realistically, it'll probably start speeding lower and I'll just get stopped out and be down hella. And I'll just be sad. So who knows? I'm not really expecting good things here after this, after how trade normally treats me. But who knows, man? You never know. Sometimes I close this trade right here because I'm afraid. Stops me at break even and runs. So this is what I'm trying to start doing though, is not go break even until after it touches the break even point and like then goes again and builds more structure. Because then you can go break even and it's like, okay, well we already came down. See, now it's like the break even's a lot more confident if we get above those highs. We run that high. It's got to keep going. I think I'm going to go break even here though. If we get even another push up at all. If we swing above this high, I think I'm going break even. This is brutal, dude. This is brutal. I'm not built for these drawdown trades. Green closed, and I'm going break even, and I'm locking the accounts if it stopped at break even because I'm done with this trade. The first green candle, I'm going break even. Dog, what is this? I might just close this, bro. I'm a little bit emotional. But I'm gonna be more emotional if it goes and runs up. But it's just like it just screams this is gonna be painful loss. Just wanted to give me a chance, dude. Just want a chance. Don't start free falling, dude. Don't just start free falling through the floor here. So I guess we should just listen to our break even here, and it would have saved us potentially. So it's tough to know, dude. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I'm going break even too early. Sometimes I'm not going break even early enough. Just trading has been just destroying me recently. I've not been trading well. It just seems like whatever I do the opposite somehow. Although I know for a fact if I went into shorts right now, it would not work. I can promise that. Somebody full port shorts on their account right now so we can get it to flip, right? Somebody that has worse luck than me. That's just so ugly, bro. I like. Can this thing just go up a little bit so I can go break even and be done for the day? Why am I thinking so negatively, man? Why have I been thinking so negatively? Right? It could still lose. It could definitely still lose, but why don't I let it give it a chance, right? It's just a loss on an eval, bro. It's not the end of the world. Counts aren't blown. I do want it to run up here though fast and inverse that 1 minute strong. I hate these trades that give you like this long drawn out just to stop you out. Like if it's gonna stop me out, stop me out. If it's gonna win, win. Right? Pick a side. I don't love this candle's not as exciting as it was when I started getting positive. Yeah, that's really ugly, actually. Can we please go up? I haven't been reading chat, dude. I've been just too stressed out. I apologize. It's a pretty boring live stream. Come on, dude. It's a beautiful looking candle if we continue. If we get a close above that high. I don't even mind that. Just continue now. You don't have to go back down. We've just been here. We've been here before. We don't got to go back down and rebalance again, and then again, and then again, and then again, right? We've already done our job. Just go higher. We've already done what we need to do down there. We don't got to be a red candle right now. We don't got to hammer down and then small green one up. We can just be a big green one. A big green candle. There hasn't been a random 80-point candle yet, and I'm kind of scared. Can we get the random 80-point candle up, though? Now this next candle should print higher. New 15 minutes just opened. If we run above these highs, I'm going break even without a shadow of a doubt. Might even go now, I can't even lie. Because like we shouldn't be playing games right now. Dog, what is happening, bro? Come on, man. It's that No News Monday. Might just close it here. But it's like I've been in this for so long just to close it for nothing when it's like not looking terrible. It's just so stupid. But I'm losing my mind, guys. I'm losing my mind. I hate trading. I hate this. I hate being in a trade. I love the idea of trading. I hate the actual practice of trading. I do not like this at all. This is not fun. This is mental torture. Mental torture. Even if it goes up and I win and I make money on the day, like I don't. It's too much, bro. It's too much. It's genuinely too much for me. This is what happens every time I'm like, I'm not going to go break even early. I'm not going to close the trade early. This is what happens every time. Every time I break my rules, the trade plays out in seconds. Every time. But when I try and do this thing where I'm like, oh, I'm going to hold the TP. I'm not going to go break even early. It just plays the most vicious mind games of all time. And I just get mentally tortured for an hour. The moment we break a new high, I'm going break even. This sucks, though. This genuinely sucks. I hate this. Like, we don't gotta do all this. We can just go up. Bro, I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind out here. I'm losing my patience. I am losing my patience every single second that goes by, and we're just playing games. I am just getting more and more frustrated, more and more hopeless, more and more just revenge-filled mindset. Like, part of me is just like, why don't I just close this, go 4 minis, we either blow the accounts or we make some money back? Like, why do I sit through an hour of torture? I think that's why I gamble so much. I think I've realized something about myself. I gamble these accounts because I don't want to sit here and feel this for an hour. I'd rather just rip the Band-Aid, feel like crap, blow my accounts, lose money in a second, rather than 40 minutes of just like, oh, am I going to lose? Am I going to win? Am I going to lose? It's just like, it's too much, dude. It's too much. It's too much for me. That's what that's what I found out about myself. That's what I found out about myself. My patience is not there because I want to either win or lose immediately. Like, I want to do it like a blackjack hand. Like, I want to either win or lose. Like, I don't want to sit here. Imagine you're playing blackjack and you put a big bet on the table, and it's like the dealer just like stands there and looks at you and looks at their card and is like, ooh, 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 I don't know, maybe, ooh, and then they kind of like show the one card, and then they're like, ooh, like maybe we have you, maybe we don't. Oh, maybe we do have you, and then after 45 minutes they flip it over and you lost. Like, would you not rather them just flip the card right away? Like, yes, bro, that's what I want. But I've got this instead. And it's like, now I have no idea where this market wants to go because it just looks so random now. And then we're going to get this big green candle out of nowhere, and it's going to just do nothing. It's going to do, nothing. Yep, two nice, like a little nice candle. No, we're just wicking. Oh my gosh, dude, I hate this. And then I'm going to be down $1,000, and I'm just going to really have to fight everything. And I'm probably not going to win the fight of trying to not trade again. I'm really not going to, probably. Just because I've sat here for 40 minutes. Maybe if I lost right away, I wouldn't be as, but just I've sat here for 40 minutes. Practically, no, not actually. Let's see, it's been way less. Almost 30 minutes. I've sat here for almost 30 minutes just like suffering. It's kind of like regretting ever deciding to trade in my entire life. Just for then when this candle came in, I was like, oh, this is sick. Just to be punished. Oh my gosh, I hate this, dude. I hate trading. Let's reverse psychology this. Nah, I'm not even gonna reverse psychology. I'm done with this. I literally feel terrible. I feel terrible. And it's not, oh, I'm like over it. Like, I just feel terrible. I don't enjoy this. I don't enjoy anything about sitting in trades. It's too stressful for me. It's not fun. There's nothing about it that's fun. I don't like this feeling. I don't like the feeling of risking money, of gambling. Like, I don't like this feeling. I don't know why I decided to trade. I'm not built for this. I don't like anything about the actual trade. Like, I like looking at the markets and analyzing the markets and trying to predict. But I found out about myself. I don't like actually placing trades. I don't like sitting in trades. I'm not having any enjoyment from this. Like, I'm literally being tortured right now. Like, I sign up for torture every single day, but I can't quit because it's like the freedom that trade can allow, but I can't quit. But then it's like I genuinely just suck at this. I am awful at the actual trading piece. Not the analysis, not the reading the market, the actual part where you're in the trade and it has to do its thing. I suck at this. I know I need to speak better about myself, but I'm just like, the way I feel, it's like, wow, I'm really bad at this. I've been doing this for almost 3 years, and I don't think I've made any improvement with the psychology of it, of like risking money and letting trades run and letting trades do its thing. And like, this is gonna look so beautiful if it goes out and plays, and it's like, I think it will, and it might, and it like maybe it doesn't, but like I like this, and then if it gets back above here, it looks great, and it'll probably run. It's like, but the actual reality of letting that happen sucks. I don't like this. And then we're going to get this candle for no reason, probably. Because we're not going to close above highs. We're just going to wick highs. Yep. Ugly candle. That's an ugly candle. Nothing about that's good. I need a candle like this right now. This candle right here, right now, to here. To here. Oh my gosh, dude. Can we please just do something? This is so ugly. This is so ugly. This chart is so ugly. ES is so ugly too. NQ is abysmal. This is really ugly stuff. This next candle, in theory, should go. This next candle, based on what's happened, should run up higher. Should be a green candle. But of course, we get a freaking immediate red candle. Just because why would it go up? Why would it go up without going down, right? I'm losing my mind in these markets right now. I'm not having a good time. Why do I even do this? Why do I wake up every morning to do this? It just ruins my day. It puts me in a bad mood. And the thing is, though, I'll be done off the charts regardless, blow the accounts, make money, like, and then I'll go on and be like, I don't really care because like I don't really care about trading, dude. To be honest, I don't care to sit in trades. I like to read the market. I like to see what's gonna happen, but this just isn't fun. Like this is ruining my day. This is making me just hate my life. This is making me hate my life, dude. Genuinely, like I'm like, what am I doing? Why don't I have a job that I actually like? I do enjoy. I love posting content. I love the act of like. I wish I could just get paid to paper trade, dude. I wish I could be like Dodgy. Because why do I risk my own money on this? And it's just like, it just, oh my gosh, dude, I hate losing money. And it's just like, I'm just getting rinsed in these markets recently. I'm getting rinsed, and I'm going to continue to get rinsed, it seems like. Why do I do this, dude? Why do I choose? Why did I choose this? Why didn't I just do something else? Why didn't I just become like, I don't know, a lawyer or something? Like, I don't know, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. What's going on with this market? It's no news Monday, I know, but like, dude, it can't be this bad, bro. All right, run up higher now. I see the speed in your eyes. I see it. I'm not even gonna try and comment. Like, I'm not even gonna commentate anymore. We're just gonna sit here and watch. I'm actually gonna play a game of Catan online, a 1v1 game. Um, I'm on the other screen, so you guys can watch this trade. Skip. Dude, I've learned a lot about myself today in trading, and I don't like this, dude. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna commentate, but like what is this though? Like genuinely, what is this? Like, can we be serious? Like this looks exciting, and then it's gonna be depressing. Like, dude, please just like stop being annoying in Q. Gosh, dude, that is just actually depressing. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say something like that, but just wow. Just shatter every single hope. Just generate more. And this is the worst part too, is that I've seen this so many times that as soon as we get stopped out or blow my accounts, it's going to just deliver perfectly every single time, dude. Every single time. I know it's gonna happen too. It's gonna happen again and again and again. It's just clockwork. It's clockwork. Oh my gosh, it's gonna run down here. It's gonna somehow get me to the tick, and then it's going to just rip and run all the low resistance liquidity we've been building. It's just so ugly, dude. This game is so ugly. I hate this, dude. I hate it. I hate it, dude. I hate this stuff, man. Like I'm losing my mind out here. I don't like this at all. Dude. Like I can't even express how much I just am not having a good time. And I would just like pause the recording for the YouTube, but it's like at the same time, it's kind of like good to just see the freaking. I don't even know. I don't even know what this is. Just mental battle. Like we're gonna get a candle that closes above this. I'm gonna go break even. It's gonna snap down to get me break even. And honestly, I don't care. Like I don't mind getting break even on this trade. I just don't want to. I don't want to lose this trade. I don't even care if it break evens. little bit of hope. Nope. I love this game. I just love trading, dude. I just love it. It's so much fun. Every morning I get to wake up and do this to myself. Every single morning. It's free too. Or it's not even free, but gosh, bro. If we don't sweep these lows and go higher, I don't understand anything about trading.
Chill out, Diago. Chill out,
Dude,
bro.
no, chill out. Whoever, I'm gonna ban my moderator because that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, dude. Dude, that's ridiculous. If I hear Samars, bro, I'm sorry. You can talk after this day is done. We'll sit in here and have a chat. But if if I hear you, I'm in this trade. I'm banning you for life. Like you're never coming back. Wow, that candle's crazy. Um, well, huge stop out. It looks like is on the way, and then we're gonna inverse this. We're gonna just come down here, just because. Like we're not gonna resweep anything. We're just gonna come down here. Then we're gonna get the inversion, and then we're gonna print. So that's the game plan. You guys can take that as a signal. Bro, what is trading even about? What is trading even about at this point? I don't even know. Why is it giving me this green candle, dude? I like accepted the loss. I accepted the fact that we're gonna get stopped out, and then you give me this huge green candle to the upside just to snap it back down in my face. What the hell is this, bro? I don't like. What is this, dude? What is this? Genuinely. Like, bro, come on, dude. Like, just you could have just stopped me out when you were running straight to stop loss. You didn't have to give me this green candle, this whole big performance. This is like when you're a chronic cheater and you're just like, you come back to your girl's life and you're like, yo, I'm not gonna cheat no more. And then you like do all this big song and dance every time just to cheat on her again. Like, I understood the first time that it wasn't gonna work. Then you didn't have to come and give me this inversion. You're gonna give me this inversion and it's gonna snap back down, right? You're gonna give me this re-entry, this long inversion, just to cheat on me again, bro. So ugly, dude. This is so stupid. Because I already know this doesn't mean anything. It's literally a cheater coming back into your life and being like, yo, I'm not going to cheat this time. Yeah, oh my gosh. Why? All this just to stop me out. All this to stop me out. What is trading even about? What is trading even about, dude? Yeah, we're going to hold this fair value gap. I guarantee it. We're going to hold the fair value gap, and we're going to displace lower. Oh my gosh, dude. Why? Why? What was the point in that? What was the point in that? What was the point in that? What was the point in that rally back up? Genuinely, what was the point in doing that to me? What was the point in doing that to me? What was the point in doing that to me? I feel like Tony Soprano when he's looking at, oh. Come on, where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Keep going. Keep going. Pump. Dude, I'm lucky closing this, I think. No, what is happening, dude? Bro, low key. Did I get greedy not closing this? We've come too far to close it now. But at the same time, we haven't. We were down $1,000. Did we just take the Trump miracle? Bro, what is going on, dude? I don't know what to do. Come on, go higher. Go higher. Come on. ES ran the equal highs. This is so bad. What is happening? I should have just closed it when I saw $200 down. Do I close it now? Sometimes that move literally just gets inversed. I can't close it now. I was just down only $200. What the heck? What is trading even about anymore? I don't even know what trading's about anymore. This is so confusing. What is happening? Why couldn't it have gone a little bit higher, dude? I'm the only person in history to get the Trump candle that doesn't go to the draw on liquidity. I finally am in on the Trump candle. I get blessed and it's on my side and it doesn't go to my targets. If I was in shorts, it would have gone up to the moon. It would have never stopped. But because I'm in longs, it doesn't go to the targets. It doesn't go to the break-even point. Gosh, dude, I hate this stuff.
This is Trump speaking. I'm gonna say market is gonna rip up.
Tomorrow's, bro. You're getting banned. You're on a cooldown. You're on a cooldown. 1 hour. You're out here for 1 hour. I should have just closed it when you get a blessing, when you get a gift, you accept it. I saw $200 negative after 1,000. I should have just taken the gift and come back on Tuesday. But no, I was like, you know what? I thought Trump was going to help me out and it was going to go up higher, but that's just not my luck. Is that even considered data high now that we can? But the ES swept the equal highs, now we're dumping. That's just like terrible news. Terrible news. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Having the worst ever trading day. Keep going. One more bullish candle. Say one more bullish thing, Trump. Real quick. Just get it up to 27,438 on the NASDAQ. That's all we need. Anyone else's chart kind of like look messed up like this on MNQ? Like, no way we just leave this, bro. There's no way, dude. There's no way. I don't believe it. But we did sweep it in the ES. So it's like, dude, this is so stupid. I hate this stuff. I hate this, dude. I hate this. I cannot stand trading. Genuinely, why? Why would we do this? Why did we reverse off my stop loss from like 3 points? The stop loss side kept moving lower just to run higher. Oh my gosh, dude. Can we please just go up? I want to just close the trade and gamble. Like, I literally don't care. I don't care about this. Oh, here's the green candle again. Here it is. We're going back higher. Psych. Get me back to these highs. I go break even, and we move on with life. The fake green candle here too. The last 10 seconds it's gonna be a 30-point red candle. How did I know? The last 10 seconds we're gonna close bearish. How did I freaking know, dude? Oh my gosh, if that's how you made money trading, then I'd be a millionaire. But this is just, unfortunately, you don't make money being able to know when you're wrong. And when you're and how you're gonna get screwed. I literally predicted the screwage, but that doesn't make you money. It only loses you money. You can only see the market perfectly when you're losing money. Then you know exactly what's gonna happen to you before it happens. You can predict the future when you're gonna lose. You can't when you're gonna win. Let's get another fake green candle. You know what? Let's get another one. Let's just go another 50 points higher real quick, just for fun. Just so we waste another. Now we've been in the trade for almost an hour. Yeah. No, let's just go up real quick. The last like 10 seconds. We'll go up for 3 of them, and then we'll close bearish. Or why don't we just get 2 really small green candles and then get a really big red one. Yeah, how about we have ES just run by itself to all-time highs, and then ES and NQ just goes to 0. Tech stocks aren't doing well anymore. Or how about we just run above this high and then break even me to the tick and then run up to all my targets anyways? Like, let's just do that. I'm open for that. Let's get this big momentum real quick and then just wick this high, just because we need to take more liquidity out of the market for whatever reason. We need more liquidity. Don't know what the point of this candle was, because I know it's not to go back up. Can promise you that. I'm losing my mind over here. Oh my gosh. Yes. Thank you for that green candle. Just immediately inverse in 3 seconds. Oh my gosh. Let's just go. Oh my gosh. I love trading. Oh, I love trading. This is so fun. I'm having a great time. It's just it makes so much sense all the time. It's just so simple. Oh my gosh. Eval jail. Tog. What is this, bro? What is this, dude? Oh, what a beautiful candle. I don't know why we went up what we did. We came down here just to go back up, just come back down, just to go back up. Oh my gosh, dude. Can we please screw off, dude? Can we please screw off and just go higher? All right, we retrade into the IFVG. Is that what we were waiting for? A little rebalance. Please, just Trump, just say something, man. Just give me a free pass. I'll use my one time right here. One time. Just say, I don't even know what he's got. Like, what does he normally even say, man? Some BS, bro. Just do something for me. I deserve this. I deserve this win. Oh my gosh, I'm watching paint dry, but the paint has acid in, and I accidentally got it in my eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Why do I do this? Why do I trade? Why did I ever sign up for this? I didn't sign up for it, actually. I was selected. Why was this what drew me in, bro? Why am I a degenerate? There's no other reason for trading. I think nobody gets into trading for any other reason than we're just degenerate gamblers. Why did we get into this? We love pain. What's the word for that? Love of pain. We are. Okay, is there not like a word for it? I don't know, but whatever it is, I guess I have it. I love being in pain and feeling bad. Big green candle right here. Talk to me. Talk to me. Come on. Big green candle. I'm a genius. I knew this was going to happen. Come on. Oh no, we have 40 seconds left. I shouldn't have looked at the clock. Never celebrate early. Come on, big green. Fight. Fight for what you know. Come on. Do it for me. Come on. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me yet. Don't give up on me yet. Come on. Come on, big green. You close above those highs and we get to go to TP. That's what I was promised. 16 seconds. You better fight. Your life depends on this. Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Try. At least give me an effort. Give me some effort. Oh my gosh, dude. You're gonna let me down like, oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's see it. Let's see it. This is the big green one. That was just the fake one. That one was like getting people into shorts just to trap them, right? That was the short trap. This is the short trap still. Now we print. Now we print. Now we print. Now we print. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Print. Higher. Yep. Higher. Above. Do you need me to show you? Do you need me to show you? Come on, right here. Right here. Above these highs. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right above there. That's all I need. That's all I need. A close right there. A close above there. That's all I need. That's all I'm asking for. It's not too much. It's not too much. It is not too much to ask. I promise you. I promise you that. I promise you it's not that difficult. Come on. You're almost there. Come on, buddy. At least close above my entry point. That'll make me feel pretty good. Come on. Did the bare minimum. You did the bare minimum. You did the bare minimum. I asked for a close above my entry. You did it, though. I like the fact that we're listening now. Come on. At least close above here. Next candle's got to close here. I wanted to see this. You know? I want to see this. Let's go to the data highs. And I don't even care. I'm rewarding myself if it gets back up to here. I'm taking a partial. I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm taking a partial. Close above the high. Don't just go to the high. Come on. Don't be rude. Do not be disrespectful. Come on, dude. This is no way. There's no way, dude. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. This is disrespectful. At least the first yellow line. Please. 8 seconds. Fight for this, man. Show me you care. I'll take it. It's a green close. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take what I can get here. Fight for the badge. Come on. You're in queue. Act like in queue. Think about all the people in shorts. There's more. There's definitely not more people shorting, but think about all the people that are gonna lose if it goes up. Take them out of the market. Big green candle right here. Come on. Come on. Right now. Right now today. Right here today. Come on. Right here today. Come on. I know you want to, bro. Come on, dude. This is it. This is your moment. This is the moment. This is it. This is it. This is what we've trained all our life for. Come on. One time. Dog. Come on. You just gave up right at the end. Last 10 seconds, you gave up on me. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. What are we doing? What are we doing? What on earth are we doing, man? What is this? What am I doing? Oh my gosh, dude. Come on, bro. What is this? Genuinely, what am I looking at? I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Oh my gosh, why is it so smooth to the downside? Are you serious? What is this? What am I watching? This is the worst day of my life. This is the worst day of my trading life. Oh my gosh, dude. What is this, dude? I have more fun when I blow accounts. At least it's over. I'm blowing 10 accounts before 940 before. I've got to sit here all morning. Dog, what even is the point in this green candle? What's the point in this green candle? It's just more time. It's just time wasting. It's time wasting. This is rage bait. That green candle was useless. Useless. Oh my gosh, I want to rip my eyeballs out and never trade again and just collect disability checks. Oh my gosh, dude. What is trading even about, bro? What is this even about? Dog, what on earth am I watching, bro? No, I think this TP is bad luck. Ever since I put that TP in, we just started doing some BS, bro. Okay, we re-swept again. I'm so tired of being in this trade. If this trade wins, this will be my favorite video of all time. But if it loses, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you guys please use code Diego? I don't make money trading, I guess. I'm gonna have to just be an influencer that makes all his money from affiliates, dude. I need you guys' help. Please, bro. Can we just do something, dude? I really want this to win because this will be such an enjoyable video. I mean, I still am having a terrible time, but at least all the pain and suffering will be worth the content. Oh my gosh, please, bro. Can we just please rip up a fat green candle? Dog, come on. Let's be serious. Let's be for real. Rip up now. Oh my gosh. Looks good. Big green candles. Come on, please. Just do it. I'm using my one time on these evals. You know what? Never mind. I'm not using my one time on evals, but I would love it. I would love it. I would love it. Come on. I can't even play it because it's going to be copyrighted on YouTube, but you guys know I would... Come on, that's a little motivation for you, NQ. A little sneak peek of what could come. I'll get this video demonetized if it hits TP. I'll play that song for you if you get close. If you get close, I'll play Eminem for you. Just get close to TP. I'll start playing Eminem. I'll get this video demonetized. I don't even care. Keep going. 17 seconds. Be great one time. Be great one time. Just at least be a green candle. 7 seconds. Come on, be great. Be great. Be great. Be great. You're being all right now. I need you to be great. I need you to be better than the rest. Come on. Please, bro. This will be generational. This will be my greatest trade ever. This will be the greatest moment of my life. Talk to me. Come on. Talk to me. Talk to me, NQ. No, don't reject. Why did we have to pull back to that fair value gap? Why did we have to go there? We didn't have to. Why did we have to rebalance that fair value gap? That doesn't make any sense to me. It doesn't make any sense. We did not need to go to that fair value gap. and hold it so perfectly. We didn't need to do that. Run up, man. Come on, dude. Come on. Dog, come on. Big green candle, and we're back in business. Come on. We run above this high. Then we run above this high, and we're back in business. Come on. Do it. Do it. Just do it. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, bro. I hate trading. I love trading. I think I like it. Come on. Dude, why are we wicking the highs? Just go above them. I'm losing patience. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Dude, what on earth are you doing? What are you doing? NQ Rage Bait needs to be studied, bro. That needs to be studied. This needs to be studied. This needs to be studied. Dog, let's be serious. Let's be serious. Just freaking pump. Like, there's literally no need. There's literally no need. There's no need. We have 10 seconds left. The 10-second curse is not going to happen again. We have no need to... Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind, NQ? What are we doing? What are we doing? The 10-second curse hit again. The 10-second curse hit again! Gosh dang it, dude! Come on, man! Just go up, dude! Go up, man! Please, bro! Please go up! I'm so sick and tired of this! Come on! Flip green and go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude! What is going on, bro? Please, man! What is happening? Big green candle. Oh my gosh, dude. Can somebody... Oh my gosh. Can somebody put me out of my misery here? Trump, please. Dude, no. Come on, bro. Come on. We don't have to resweep the lows. We don't have to do this. We don't need to tap into the rejection block in the macro of 11 o'clock. Like, we've gone through 2 macros in the same trade. And we've gone nowhere. We don't have to do this. You have a choice, NQ. The 10-second curse doesn't work to the downside. It only works when you're going up. We don't wick. Dog, what is the point in that wick just to go back down? I don't understand. Like, why did we wick up just to go back down? When will it be my turn to win? I don't even think it's possible at this point to come back up. When we got that blessing from Trump, I should have just closed the freaking day and been down $250. Now I'm gonna be down 1,000 something and probably blow the accounts. But like, who's to know that? You get the Trump candle in your favor for once in your life, and it's just like, oh well, you got greedy. Like, come on, dude. Like, how was I supposed to know that we were never gonna go higher after that Trump candle? How would I have known that? How would I have known that? It's impossible. So depressing. So frustrated, bro. I'm so frustrated with this stupid stuff, man. I can't get this. I just so bad. I might just stop trading Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and Sundays. And just pick something else to do. This will be the greatest win of my life, though, if it does go up. This is so ugly, man. This is so ugly, dude. Come on. This is called the cap candle. The candle of cap. It's not real. It's just a joke. Why? Why we gotta do that? Why did we have to do that? Why did we have to do that? Why did we have to go up there? The last 3 seconds of the candle had the print bullish. Why, dude? Tell me why. I sound like Kid Leroy right now. Tell me why it's so hard to do goodbye. Come on, bro. Please just do something. So many. Come on. I will get this video demonetized if we hit TP. I will play some music. Big red candle coming in right now. Yep, here it is. Come on, big red. Come on, big red. Inverse that entire move right now. No, you're supposed to go further down. You're supposed to come all the way down here. Why are we stalling? No, come down here. Please, come down here, please. I want to be right. You're supposed to be big red candle. We can't get 2 green candles in a row. Yes, big red. Medium red. That's fine too. That's just as depressing. Oh, the big red the slow way. Took a while. Last 10 seconds we got big red, of course. Come on, bro. Come on. I hate this. I hate my life, dude. I hate my life. I hate my life, dude. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you guys are entertained in this stream. Even though I'm not reading chat. I haven't looked at chat in hours, bro. I'm sorry. I haven't taken my eyes off the NQ in forever. The game I was trying to play, yeah, I accidentally disconnected from being inactive. Dog, what the hell? What was that candle? Bro, what are we doing? What is this? What is this purgatory of a trade I'm in? What was that? What was that? What just happened? Oh my gosh, can we please get something to go my way, man? What are we on about? What are we on about right now? This doesn't make any sense. This chart makes 0 sense to me. And you know what's going to suck? Everybody and their mom probably banked off this trade. They didn't take these BS trades. And they banked here. And I should have banked there. And yet I'm down everything. Because I am just always wrong. Somehow. Slightly. Can we please go up, dude? What are we generating this liquidity for? The purge? Can we please go? I've been in this trade for an hour. Taking 3 off at this high. The high that will never be touched. Like, I don't even know why I did that. It's a waste of my time to even change the TP, but gotta try something new. I already know what's gonna happen too. It's gonna stop me out to the frickin' tick and it's gonna run everything all at once. All at once. No, this is not all for content. This is like 20% for content. The other 80% is the actual rage I feel in my body. Do you guys think this guy tries to do better? What have I done that's been bad today? That's facts. 150%. Dude, if this hits TP, I'm actually going to have the greatest day of my life. I'm so serious though. Yeah, this first trade, I stand by it. Looking back now, it was chop. I should have waited and just taken this trade and closed it here, and I would have had a great freaking day. But we took this trade. I mean, you know what we've learned? Bang. I'm deleting that 30-second, bro. I'm never looking at that shit again. I didn't mess up though. I took trades I stood by, and they just were wrong. If this hits TP, bro, I can't afford a giveaway, dude. I've been getting rinsed. I've blown $4,000 in evals this month. So if this wins, we're just gonna all be happy for me. I'm just kidding. No, if this wins, I'm gonna request accounts to give away on Lucid. I'll do that. Even if it doesn't win, I'll request some accounts to give away. But if it does win, I'm gonna try and request like a bunch. I'm kind of trolling, but I've never actually been in this bad of a trade. Like, not bad, like in the sense of bad, but like this just freaking brutal of just what is going on? Like, what is this liquidity we're building up for? What? I know I've seen this happen a billion times my entire life that I'm going to get stopped and it's going to rip all of the take profit. It's going to stop this blowout, get the best inversion you've ever seen in your entire life, and it's going to run everything in like 3 minutes every single time. When this candle came in, I should have closed the trade and ran so far away from today. But like when it happens that quick, you kind of just think it's gonna keep going, because you think that you're getting some luck to finally go your way. This is your issue. You're trading chop right now, bro. How was I supposed to know it wasn't gonna go up ever again? When it comes down here and it goes like this, okay, I'm going to let the trade play out. Chops around my entry, drops down, doesn't stop me out, runs up. I'm not just going to close the trade. Then it goes up my entry, chops around. This is your problem. Chop. Yes, of course. Like, if I had a crystal ball and I knew that I could not avoid this, then I would have closed the trade here. Yeah, and I would have lost a long time ago. What if we win? How many trades are you willing to take a day? Anything that thinks looks good. I like this trade. I added on this 30-second close. I really like the trade and it didn't deliver. Like, you guys need to relax, bro. Like, if this trade came down to here and ran up and ran to these targets, and I did well, like, then nobody would be saying this. Then it chops and you guys think you're geniuses. Yeah, if you have bad luck, then just like full port shorts for me, Steve. I've gone through every stage of grief. I'm at the acceptance phase now. Until we get a big green candle that closes right here, then I'll be back into just denial. This trade might genuinely happen all day. Might go for all day. You guys just shorted, thank you. I'm never passing eval again, it seems. I'm never gonna be funded again. I need to start just doing Apex one day pass and just full port. Like, I can't pass evaluations to save my life. How did your stop loss hit on shorts? I need your stop loss to be my TP, so go in with 1 micro. TGR doesn't trade. This is gonna be the setup too. This is the setup when we slap my stop loss and inverse back up.
Stop field.
When we inverse back up, I'm slapping this thing with 2 minis and I'm making all my money back. I don't care. I literally don't care. Then I'm gonna trade one account for the rest of my life. How much do we have to lose? We have 2,000 divided minus 1160 divided by 40. 21 points. We need a 21 point stop loss. I said I don't like the 30-second, but in queue, let's see. 30 seconds. Bro. I don't even need to give this week a chance, dude. It's over for me. Guess we could go with 1 contract. We don't have to go like full port. We can always add into it. We can always add. We can always add. We need about 60 points. If we got in around 40, we need about to the 100. All right. Let's get this move. Come on. I'm not just going to full port randomly, though. If we get this trade, I'm willing to get back in with the mini. I don't even care. I'm not going to give this week a chance. I kind of want to front run, but that's retarded. Come on. I hate this stuff so much, dude. I low-key just... I don't know. Like, I just don't see how this is going to ever work. I don't see how this is going to ever work long term. I just don't see how trading actually works for anybody. Anybody in this chat actually make money trading? Let's be honest. I'm saying, like, I'm not talking about 1K. I'm talking about, does anybody actually make money? Like, does anybody do this? Making 6 figures a year consistently, right? The accounts are savable, but it just like, but also just not. They're also just not, dude. I know. I know, dude. I know. not in anything yet. I do actually like genuinely like this if we get it. It's just unfortunate that we had to sit through an hour of trade and then get stop loss just to get the same setup. The same idea. We had to generate this apparently. Like the market could not do anything without generating the most ridiculous liquidity run. This is the move too, and I'm gonna hesitate and it's gonna be gone. But also price action is just terrible right now too, so it's just like this is the move. This is the move for sure. This is it. This is it for sure. But I'm just gonna but it's also just not gonna work if I get in. I'm just gonna get screwed again, so oh my gosh, it's the worst day ever. Let's see, 10 seconds here. It's just not gonna work. Like, let's just be honest. Who are we kidding? Who are we kidding? It's just not gonna work. Even if it inverse, it's just not gonna work. Did it even inverse there? Oh my gosh, dude, I hate it. I hate it, bro. I hate it, dude.
Order filled.
We make 60 points. We're break even on the day. 103. Going break even at this high. This is it. This is the move. This is the move right here. What do you want? Cards. Okay, you can come down and grab them. I'm still recording on the live stream, but I'm just having the most frustrating day of my life, but I'm also just an idiot.
I haven't seen any purchases, so that's good, right?
I mean, I haven't blown any accounts, but
Well, good.
I mean,
That's good, that's positive.
I mean, not that positive, because it could be there. I like this trade, but it's like I've liked the other trades and it's just been torture. So, what do I actually? I need 60 points. I need 30 if I just get in with another one, but that should technically be break even. break even a little early. We didn't hit the high yet. But at the same time, it just shouldn't stop. And I don't need to lose, so. It doesn't need to inverse that entire candle. But it will. No, I'm not getting stopped out break even on this trade. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'd rather lose the accounts than get stopped out early. I'm adding to this trade if it comes down there. Alright, this thing should run. This thing should run. It should hit our break-even point. It should run. Why do we need to generate more liquidity? I don't understand trading. I don't understand trading. This actually looks like such a perfect long and it's just not going to work. I don't understand. I don't understand this. I don't know what I'm doing. Because everything tells me this is going to go up. Be so for real, dude. Be so for real. Be so for real, bro. I don't know, dude. I don't get it. I don't get it. How do we not even just hit the break-even point? I understand I'm trading some choppy crap, but it's like I don't know. I still don't get it. I still don't. I still don't believe that we're just doing this. I still don't believe it. I couldn't tell you why we cannot go up 5 points to just let me go break even. Oh my gosh, dude. Equal highs? Like what? What? Triple equalize? Needed to just run.
tomorrow night?
Mom, can you, hold up.
You coach
Mom,
tomorrow?
I'm saying hold up. I'll come talk to you later.
Well, I need an answer so I can tell a realtor something.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Are we gonna get into another one of these trades? Are you serious, dude? Oh, I should have just closed it when it was up here. But how would I know? Like, that's the thing. It's like, how do you know? How do you know to just close it when it's looking perfect? Like, when this candle's coming in live time, how do you know to just close the trade? You don't. And it's just like, Drip over here thinks he's a genius because he knows not to trade chop. But how do you know to avoid chop? Like, $57. I wanted to add into this, but it just kind of seems stupid. Either it does or doesn't go up. Then it's like, do I even trail my stop there or just leave it at break even? And just kind of like pray. I don't know. I'm adding if it gets to here, I think. 66. And then I just need 30 points from this. So I need 87. Oh, I kind of like that idea, though. I kind of like this idea. Kind of like this idea. But I could just let the original trade play out. Okay, I'm just going to let the original one. Because I don't want to add and then get wicked. Oh my gosh, dude. That was a good idea, though. Well, good thing I didn't do it because we'd be out the trade, so. 10 points. It's not really worth it. I just don't think it's going higher, dude. I kind of want to just take this money and run. All this for 2 points.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah. All right. Oh, dude, that's just like, I don't even have the mental capacity to try and trade these evals back from this drawdown. 1,200 divided by $80 a point. 15 points is all I would need. I would need 15 points to break even on the day. But it's like I could just give this a try and just try and do it and try and come back and try and do it the right way, but I'm so mentally tapped out from trading that's just like, I don't know, dude. I don't even know. I don't know what I want to do. I really don't. Do it the right way, but it's like like the problem is I've convinced myself that I can't do it the right way because I've convinced myself that I don't have any skill at trading. This trade, like I've taken some great trades today. It's just this trade was great. This trade was great. It's just I'm getting caught up in bullcrap markets and trying to shoot for the moon when it's not a moon day. I mean, if we get in long right now and it goes any lower, we'll basically blow our account, but maybe I just target 5 points a few times.
Order filled.
Let's go for 5 points. I don't want to blow these accounts, dude. Just go up and tag this. I'll close my account for the day. If we hit TP here, I'm closing the accounts for the day.
Stop filled.
Oh man, I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. This is bad. This is bad because I know how this ends. It ends in blown accounts.
Order filled.
Please go up. I don't deserve it. I don't deserve this, but let me get away with it, please, dude. When will I learn how to actually trade? I don't know.
Stop field.
Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Why didn't I just close it? Why didn't I just close it? Why don't I just try and trade this the right way? Why don't I just try? Why don't I just try? Why don't I just try and come back another day? Why don't I do that? I don't understand. Funny enough, if I just would have let the first full port just play out, we'd be like way back, but or if we would have just kept targeting 5 points, we'd be all the way back too. But no, oh my gosh, dude, I can't even do the gambling the right way. Can't even gamble well. If I would have closed it out for just a smaller loss, I probably could be done, but 800 still feels insurmountable.
Order filled. Stop filled.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't beat this cycle. I've been in this cycle for almost a month now, like of just gambling. I don't know what's going on. It's really bad, dude. And it's not like, oh, I gotta blow more accounts to learn my lesson. I've blown accounts, dude. I've blown it.
Order filled.
I've been getting put through the ringer. Trust me.
Stop filled.
I'd be all the way back if I just stopped closing these trades.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
I'd be all the way back if I would just not be an idiot. I would be all the way back if I wasn't an idiot. How long have I freaking been here? I'm just gonna go for it.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna go for it. Whatever happens here. Made $1,000. 80, 12 points plus 81, 93. Just gonna go for it. Because I don't want to keep sitting here playing this song and dance. Of course, I pick the top too when I commit to it, but maybe I don't have to commit to this. Maybe it goes up, I close it, and I close my charts. Maybe that's what I do. I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know. That's what I'll do. If it goes above this high, I'll go break even. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then we're done. How many times have I said I'm done today? I don't even know. Do we just short this instead? Is shorts the play? I don't believe shorts is the play. I don't believe that. Just let it go. We either blow the accounts or we make our money back. And that's it. That's how it went. That's how it went today. There it is. Please, dude, please. I know I don't deserve this. Please just help me out, man. I can't afford this. I can't afford to do this. I cannot afford to do this. Just go up. I'll close it if it goes to break even. I don't want to say I swear, but please just go up. 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 I cannot blow these accounts, dude. I cannot blow these accounts. Please go up. Please go up. Please go up. I should not blow these accounts. I should not have blown these accounts today. Please go up. 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 Please go up, dude. Please, dude. Oh my gosh. I am a mess, dude. I'm a mess. I just feel like the worst person on the planet. I feel like an actual disgrace. Please, I don't deserve it. Please, I know I don't deserve this. Please, just go up 10 points or whatever that is, 11 points, please. I don't deserve this. I know I don't deserve it, but please help me out. I got greedy. I got so greedy. I can't blow these accounts. Go up again, and I'm closing it. If I see 400 bucks, I'm closing it. Oh my gosh, I got greedy again. Please go up. Please go up. Stop loss. Whichever one I hear ordered filled.
Stop filled.
700 bucks, dude. Oh my gosh, I had $300. I had 400 of that back, and now I'm gonna have to. If I stop now and I come back tomorrow with the right mindset, then it's going to. Like, this is the hard part about, like, when you're gambling, the step away is that now I know if I come back tomorrow, I'm gonna try again and try to do it with 3 micros. But if right now when I'm on tilt and I'm crashing out, if I just don't stop, I could make back a big chunk of that. That would take me forever to make back if I don't stop. So this cycle continues indefinitely until I either blow the accounts or get 10 points. Because I know tomorrow I'm going to show up, I'm going to try and do better. And if I win my next trade tomorrow, then it's going to be like a $200 win. And if I can just make most of it back right now or all of it back, I'll be fine in my head. But I can't lose these accounts, dude. I need to not lose these accounts. I need to not lose these accounts. If I lose these accounts, that's literally just $500 gone for no reason. For no reason. I shouldn't lose these accounts, but I can't get myself to stop because I don't want to have to go through how long it's going to take me to come back from drawdown. But it's just $750. It's not the end of the world. I have the accounts. I don't want to spend money again on accounts. But I know that I'm on tilt right now and I could maybe make it all back. I know I could. I've done it before and I want to try and do it again because I don't want to sit here and do the slow process of trying to trade properly. So I'm going to go for it.
Order filled.
And I'm going to regret it too. Regardless of what happens, I regret this, but... No, dude. No. No, dude. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that right there? Please. Please shoot up. Please shoot up. Please shoot up. This is such a nightmare, dude. Why do I do this every single day, dude? I've been doing this to myself every day, dude. Every day I've been doing this to myself. Why do I do this? Why don't I just try? Why don't I just try and be better? Every single day I try and be better. I mess it up, dude, every single time. Every single day I think I'm going to be better and I mess it up. Goes up to here, I'm closing, I'm locking my accounts. I don't care, I'm locking them. I promise myself. I promise myself. I promise. Why'd it have to give me that big spike and then not hit that? I'm going to lock it out. I will. I will. No, dude, I actually will now. I actually will. If it hits that, I'm locking these accounts. If it hits that, I'm locking these accounts. I promise. I promise, dude. I promise. I promise. Get up there, and I'm locking the accounts. I swear on my life. I swear on my life. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. Go up there, I'm locking the accounts. I swear on my entire life. I'm not going to move it. Still have the accounts right now. I could close this trade. I still have the accounts. 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 I could close the trade. I still have the accounts. I still have the accounts. I could close the trade. It doesn't have to get back up there. I still have the accounts. I still have the accounts. What am I doing? What am I waiting for? I still have the accounts, buddy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. I had the chance. I had the chance. I had the chance. I had the chance to step away an hour, 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. I had every chance in the book. I've given every opportunity. I will lock the accounts. Just goes up there. Please just go up one time, please. Please save me one time. Save me. Please, dude. Go up, please, please.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, dude!